Hello, welcome back to Ion CG Max. Today we are looking at a Max Olympiad problem. So the question is given x minus y is equal to 7 by 2 cube root of x square y minus cube root of xy square and cube root of x minus cube root of y is equal to 3. So as you are going to solve this problem, before starting, pause the video and try it now. And also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you. Okay, ma, how to solve this problem? So here cube roots is there, ma. So here, so first logic what you have to do is cubing on both sides. Ma. So I am taking the second equation, cube root of x minus cube root of y is equal to 3. So this is the second equation. This is the first equation. So I am taking the second equation. I am doing cubing on both sides. So here, before going to this, we are going to write the formula. So here, a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3ab of a minus b minus b cube. So this formula you are going to use here. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3ab of a minus b minus b cube. So here cube root of x whole cube a cube minus 3ab cube root of x into cube root of y bracket cube root of x minus cube root of y minus cube root of y whole cube is equal to 27. 3 cube 27 you will get. So here cube and cube root get cancel. X minus cube root of cube root of 3 cube root of xy. Here this value we are having already 3. So into 3 minus cube and cube root cancel, y is equal to 27. So then what will get here? X minus y into x minus y minus cube root of 9 into cube root of xy is equal to 27. Now from 1 we are replacing x minus y value. X minus y some value is given from 1. X minus y is equal to 7 by 2 cube root of x square y minus cube root of xy square. This is x minus y value minus 9 cube root of xy is equal to 27. So replacing the value of x minus y. Now if you open the bracket, 7 by 2 cube root of x square y minus 7 by 2 cube root of xy square minus 9 cube root of xy is equal to 27. Now here you can take 7 by 2 cube root of xy common. So here you'll get cube root of x minus cube root of y minus 9 cube root of xy is equal to 27. Now already from the second one this value is 3. If you substitute 3 here, you will get 7 into 3 by 2 cube root of xy minus 9 into cube root of xy is equal to 27. Now here you can take 3 common. 7 by 2 cube root of xy minus 3 cube root of xy is equal to 9 now. So you are taking 3 common. 3 common you are taking on both sides and you are removing 3. Now taking LCM, 7 into cube root of xy minus 6 cube root of xy is equal to 9 into 2. Here the denominator will get 2. That 2 will go that side. This 2 we are taking this side. 9 into 2. So cube root of xy is equal to 18. Xy is equal to 18 cube. Xy is equal to 18 cube. So here replace this xy value in 1 now. So here replace in 1. Replace xy in 1. So what will get here? X minus y is equal to 7 by 2 cube root of x square y minus cube root of xy square. So here you can take common. X minus y is equal to 7 by 2 cube root of xy common. Here cube root of x minus cube root of y. This value is 3. From 1 the value is 3. From 2. From 2 this value is 3. Now x minus y is equal to 7 by 2 into 18. Cube root of xy value is 18 into 3. So here it will go 9 times. So x minus y is equal to 189 now. Xy is equal to 18 cube. So from this you can write x is equal to, or you can write y is equal to x minus 189. X minus 189 now. Now here if you substitute the value, so here what will get x minus 189 is equal to 18 cube. X square minus 189x minus 18 cube equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic in x. Quadratic in x, so what will get? So x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. We are applying this formula. X is equal to plus 189 plus or minus root of 189 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 18 cube by 2a. 2 into 1. Now how to solve this?